Hi guys, welcome to the flipped classroom. Today we're going to talk about habits, routines and facts. Before you watch the video, remember that at any point you can stop, pause, rewind or watch again. Hopefully at the end of the video you'll all be experts. Good luck! So, let's talk about habits, routines and facts. First, what are habits and routines? Well, habits and routines are things which we do regularly. For example, I have a cup of tea every day, and most weekends I ride my bicycle. Facts are things which are true. For example, I live in Arbo. What do you notice? That's right. We use the present simple to talk about habits, routines and facts. Which one is different? That's right. When we use he, she or it, we add an S. Look at these examples. What do they have in common? Sam likes cartoons. He watches them every day. He loves SpongeBob SquarePants. The subject in all these examples is he. Which verb is different? Pause your video and think. Were you right? It's number 2. Both number 1 and number 3 add an S. And in number 2, we add ES. Do you know why? We usually add S to the third person singular. He, she, it plays. But there are some exceptions. If the verb ends in O, we add ES. He, she, it goes. If the verb ends in ch, we add ES. He, she, it watches. If the verb ends in sh, we add ES. He, she, it finishes. If the verb ends in double S, we also add ES. He, she, it kisses. And if the verb ends in X, we add ES too. He, she, it relaxes. Another exception are verbs which end in Y. For these verbs, we change the Y to an I and add ES. So, now we know the rules for the affirmative. How do we talk about habits, routines and facts in the negative? Easy. All we do is add do not or does not before the verb. For example, I do not like cartoons. He does not like cartoons. But it is much more common to make the negative using the contraction. For example, I don't like cartoons. He doesn't like cartoons. And that's it. Conclusion. We use the present simple to talk about habits, routines, and facts. Simple. How well do you think you know your teacher? These are some of my habits, routines, and facts. Which do you think are true and which do you think are false? Pause your video, think, and check your answers. Let's see. Were you right? I don't speak French. This is false. In England, I was a French teacher. I play tennis. False. I can't play tennis. I do yoga. True. I live in Arbo. True. I'm sure everybody knows this. My dog jumps really well. True. But it's annoying. And I have dinner at 7:30. Of course, I'm English. How did you do? Did you get them all right? Now you're an expert in talking about habits, routines, and facts. Don't forget to do the quiz. Not an expert yet? Then watch the video again and then do the quiz. And remember, when you come to class, tell us what your habits, routines, and facts are.